Picot hems are a version of hung hems, and they're very popular on little girls' clothing because they make a cute lower edge. I'm making an 8-row hem, so it's really 16 rows, 8 rows in each layer. I've knitted the first 8 plain rows at 1 stitch size smaller than the main knitting. Now, transferring every other stitch to the next needle over is how we create the picot. Then we'll knit an equal number of rows again. For me, I like to do it still at the reduced stitch size. Because there's a certain challenge to the machine in having 2 sets of stitches on 1 set of needles, I like to knit this first row back from hold. Here come the exterior 8 rows of the hem, and now lift and hang the E-wraps. I'm just using my thumbs, but you can use tools. Increase to the garment stitch size and continue knitting. As with all hung hems, always pull lengthwise to improve the finished look.